Alright, this is me, Connor, and this is a documentary on Airsoft war. I have two enemies, Peter and Riley, and they're on the other side of the woods right now. Probably can't see them. This is where we're shooting. Anyways, all I have on me is a Smith & Wesson MP40. Military police, and looks like we're gonna start. All right, let's go. Okay. Alright, I think we can see the enemy. Alright, we're on enemy lines right now. Probably can't see them. There they go running. Come on. Come on. Alright. Alright, can't get any good shots. Oh crap, let's get up here. Let's see our clip. Okay, we're out. Alright, I'm under fire. Okay, just let me reload on this. Dang it. Alright, hold on, guys. Sorry, give me 1 minute. Come on, don't get too close. Alright. Alright, and we're ready. Enemy right there. Okay.